What's up guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be showcasing you how to hide the apps on your Galaxy A37 5G. So let's begin the video. The very first thing which you want to do is to open up your setting, scroll down to home screen, and now from here, we are going to see an option that say hide apps on your home screen and app screen. So we are going to tap on that. Now right here, it gives us all the apps that are available on my phone. If I wanted to hide any app, let's go ahead and find the app that I like to hide. Maybe I wanted to hide this app. So simply tap on it. It's going to be moved into this section as a hidden app. So right now I have only one app that is hidden. If I wanted to add more, I can simply go ahead and tap on them. And once I'm done selecting apps, just hit the done button. And those apps are going to be hidden. Now, if I check them on the home screen, they are no longer seen on the home screen or in the app menu any longer. They will be completely hidden unless I unhide them by going back to the same setting. To unhide them, you just need to press the minus button in the hidden apps and they are going to be unhide in there. So guys, that is how you can do it. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Be sure to subscribe because some amazing content is planned for this year. Peace.